Hello children. Children, in the previous video, I have started explaining you the new lesson of English 1, that is material nouns. Now we will continue with the explanation of the same lesson. So, I am going to give you few more examples related to material nouns. For example, I write here a sentence. I have a rubber tree near my school. Now children, first of all here underline which are the nouns. Rubber, tree and school. These are the nouns. Now from these nouns we have to find out which is the material noun. Now children, school is the name of a place. As I told you in the beginning that material nouns do not refer to people or places. They do not refer to people or places. And they are uncountable nouns. Means the nouns which cannot be counted. But here I have written an example. I have a rubber tree near my school. Here schools can be counted. So this school is a countable noun. So this can't be a material noun. Next is tree. Tree is also a noun. But can it be a material noun? No, because trees can also be counted. So this cannot be a material noun. Rubber. Yes, because with rubber, so many things are made. So this is a material noun. Let me give you one more example. There are many utensils made of iron. There are many utensils made of iron. Now here, children, tell me which are the nouns here. Utensils and iron. These two are the nouns. Now we have to find out which is the material noun. Utensils or iron. Now here children, utensils we can count. At home we are having utensils in the kitchen. We can count the utensils. So, as I told you before that material nouns are uncountable nouns which cannot be counted. But here utensils can be counted. So, this cannot be a material noun. Next is iron. Iron cannot be counted. So, this is a material noun. This is a material noun. So, let us summarize what material nouns are. Material nouns are the names of things or substances, or you can say materials with which things are made. And moreover, material nouns are uncountable nouns. Material nouns are uncountable nouns. They cannot be counted. So I hope children you all have understood what is a material noun. Now let's start with the book exercises of this lesson. Children, take out page number 116, means 116 of your English 1 books. On that page, we are going to start with the book exercises of lesson number 25. So, let's start with question number A. Find the material noun in the following sentences. Now, here children, some sentences are given. In these sentences, we have to find out the material noun. We will underline the material noun as well as the material noun we will write here in the space provided on the right side. Number 1 is, my mother purchased a gold ring for me. That ring is made of what? Gold. So, gold is the material noun. Underline gold and write on the right side where the space is given, gold. Here you also write. Number 2 is, this window is made of glass. Means the window is made of what? Which material? Glass. So here also you write glass. Number 3 is, the diamond bracelet is very beautiful. That bracelet is made of what? Diamond. So diamond is the raw material. So it is a material noun. So here you also write diamond and underline diamond. Number 4 is calcium is a good mineral for health. Now which mineral is good for health? Calcium. So underline calcium and on the right side also write calcium. Number 5 is the chair is made of wood. The chair is made of what? Wood. Wood is the raw material. It is a material noun. So underline wood and write here also wood. Number 6 is there are many utensils made of iron made in my kitchen. Now here iron is the material noun. This example I already gave you while explaining material nouns. So underline iron and write iron on the right side also. Number 7 is Taj Mahal is built using marble. Taj Mahal is made of what? Marble. That is the raw material with which Taj Mahal is made. So underline marble and here also on the right side you write marble. Number 8 is I drink milk daily in the night. So milk is the material noun which we get from what? Animals. Milk is the material noun which we get from animals. So underline milk and write on the right side milk. Number 9 is most of the industries use fiber. So here what is used by industries to produce the products? Fiber. So here you underline fiber and also write on the right side fiber. Then the last one is number 10. Some kitchen utensils are made up of brass. Now there are some kitchen utensils which are made of brass. So brass is also a kind of metal. So this is a raw material, or you can say it is a material noun. It is a material with which some utensils are made. So underline brass here and write also on the right side. Now let's move on to question number B. Underline the material noun in the following sentences. Number 1 is water is very necessary for life on the earth. Now children, water is a material noun which we get from nature. So underline water here. It is a material noun. Number 2 is we obtain wool from sheep. Now this is the wool is the material noun which we get from animals. So underline wool. Number 3 is we live in house made up of wood. So wood is the material which we get from trees. So this is the material noun, underline wood. Number 4 is I have a nice candle holder made of silver. Silver is a material noun which we get from nature. So underline silver. And the last one is my father wears a jacket made of leather. So leather we get from animals. So underline leather. This is the raw material, or you can say it is a material noun. So here we finish with the book exercises of this lesson. Now children, take out your English 1 copies. In English 1 copy we are going to write the question answer related to this lesson. Children, in your English 1 copy, take out a new page. Write the date on the left side of the margin. Write lesson 25 on the first line. Write the name of the lesson, that is material nouns, on the second line. On the third line we will start writing the question. Question number 1 is what is a material noun? Question mark. Give examples. I will repeat the question. What is a material noun? Question mark. Give examples. Full stop. The answer is a material noun is the name of the substance from which objects are prepared. I will repeat. A material noun is the name of the substance from which objects are prepared. Full stop. For example, gold, comma, silver, comma, plastic, comma, copper, comma, wood, etc. Full stop. I will show you this question once again. Only one question is there in this lesson. So do write it neatly in your copies. This was all there for today, children. Thank you.